reflections looking at me. Since born, my brother calling me up to this place, yeah. So many bad bitches where now. Oh, now grabbing on the clothes, now grabbing on the clothes. Now hope I don't fill up sins or now. Now calling me down. Makes me like since I fucking me over tonight.
With what the future may hold, I always fear. From all my progress to the ones held dear, it's all no fast, there's no one's here. So now I have left is my own mirror. There's no way and expecting past, and I knew it wouldn't last. And though it all went fast, I still have a reflective glass.
They're just looking at me. The guy I've been pulled in the past. From my sent into the mirror where my reflections are reflecting.
I took and stole, I gave so much pain. I got demons in my mind, and I got ice in my veins. And as I reflect, I remember the beginning, where every day was non-stop sinning. And it was shades of black. I just wish once my memories for once in my life would be terror-free.
Listen, man, I can't do it.
Well, I think we sit down, and I'll tell I insist.
No, man, I can't. I want to edit it right now.
Oh, fuck.